Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily use the mobile video templates in Canva to create an awesome Instagram story. So here I've already on the Canva apps, and on the homepage or on the templates here, you can just search for the mobile video category. So I'm going to just scroll down until I find the mobile video option. Okay, this one's right here. As you guys can see here, there are lots of options that you can freely choose for your video. So for example, okay, I'm going to just use this one. So click on the video that you want to use and it will be opened. Just wait. Okay, so here after it's open, you can just save this video if you like with the result or with the quotes, for example, or you can also change the quote into your own quote. For example, I'm going to just double click on the text. Oops. Edit. Okay, I'm going to change it into others quote like this example, and it's done. So this will be the result, and you can just click on the arrow to save it to your gallery, then share it to your social media. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.